Number 1. 1987 Chevrolet R10 C10 Squarebody, $5,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1987 Chevrolet R10 Squarebody represents one of the final years of Chevrolet's iconic Squarebody pickup. It is powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 with throttle body fuel injection paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and shifts properly, though its overall condition and high mileage, with an odometer rollover, make trailer transport advisable. With a clean title and strong parts availability, it offers a solid mechanical foundation for a budget-friendly restoration project. Number 2. 1985 Toyota Truck Club Cab Flatbed Dually, $6,000, Tonopah, Arizona. This 1985 Toyota truck is a unique custom build, featuring a camper-based chassis combined with a later model club cab and flatbed dually conversion. Equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it maintains Toyota's reputation for durability. The truck runs well and includes air conditioning and cruise control. While the interior still requires finishing, the clean title and reliable operation make it a rare and functional vintage Japanese pickup. Number 3. 1954 Ford F500, $3,500, Santa Margarita, California. This 1954 Ford F500 highlights Ford's post-war heavy-duty truck engineering. Powered by a V8 engine with a manual transmission, it runs, drives, and stops, which is impressive given its age. The truck remains largely unrestored and will require additional work. And with a clean title and classic mid-century design, it offers an affordable entry into vintage commercial trucks. Number 4. 1970 Ford F100, $3,500, Snohomish, Washington. This 1970 Ford F100 is a straightforward example of Ford's classic half-ton pickup. It features a 302 cubic inch V8 paired with a column shift manual transmission. The truck starts, runs, and drives, and the body is described as straight. With a clean title and average condition, it serves as a solid project with excellent aftermarket support. Number 5. 1972 Dodge D100 Stepside, $5,000, West Marin, California. This 1972 Dodge D100 Stepside is equipped with a 318 cubic inch V8 featuring performance upgrades such as an aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor, and headers. Power is delivered through a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear. The truck is currently not running due to a suspected ignition issue. It has a straight body, low original mileage, a clean title, and shows light rust and minor interior wear consistent with its age. Number 6. 1989 Dodge Ramcharger, $3,000, Anderson Mill, Texas. This 1989 Dodge Ramcharger reflects classic full-size sport utility styling. It features a carbureted 318 cubic inch V8 swap paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle will start when fuel is supplied directly to the carburetor, indicating a fuel system issue. Recent mechanical updates have been performed. With patina paint and a clean title, it presents an affordable restoration or utility project. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet S10, $700, Tucson, Arizona. This 1994 Chevrolet S10 is an inexpensive compact pickup project. It is powered by a 4.3-liter V6 with an automatic transmission and previously ran before being parked for several years. The seller believes it may have a blown head gasket, and it currently does not start. With cosmetic wear and a clean title, it is best suited for mechanical repair or use as a parts vehicle. Number 8. 1954 Jeep Willys truck, $4,750, 5 cities, California. This 1954 Jeep Willys truck is a rare utility-focused classic, known for its rugged design. It runs and drives and has been fitted with a new carburetor and fuel lines. The odometer is inoperative, and the truck is offered with a bill of sale only. For buyers comfortable with title-related challenges, it offers strong historical value and usable condition. Number 9. 1972 Datsun 521 pickup, $8,900, Chulavista, California. This 1972 Datsun 521 pickup is a highly sought-after classic Japanese truck. It is powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and has received numerous recent updates, including paint, carburetor, tires, upholstery, brakes, and a new battery. The truck is smog-exempt, currently registered, and comes with a clean title, making it a strong collector-quality example. Number 10. 1946 Ford F100 pickup roller, $8,760, East Tucson, Arizona. This 1946 Ford pickup is an early post-war model influenced by wartime production design. It is rust-free and fitted with a Ford 302 cubic-inch V8 and automatic transmission. The truck includes valuable spare parts but requires a driveshaft, interior, and wiring harness to be completed. With a clean Arizona title and solid originality, it provides an excellent foundation for restoration or custom construction.